Today is 27th May and you are watching Rising TV. This is your dose of startup stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Foxy, founded by Nikhil Gilani, is an online store that offers a wide range of beauty, grooming and cosmetic products. It has raised 21.6 crore rupees from existing investor Lightspeed India partners. The company will use these proceeds for expansion, growth, and general corporate purposes as decided by its board. The round appears to be an ongoing one and Foxy is likely to raise more capital in coming weeks. BharatPe and PhonePe have finally resolved their issues and have settled their legal disputes on the suffix pay. Both the companies had been involved in the disputes since last 5 years over different courts. The settlement will put an end to all open judicial proceedings. As the next step, both have already taken steps to withdraw all oppositions against each other in the trademark registry, which will help them to proceed with the registration of their respective marks. Paytm General Insurance Limited, an associate entity of 197 Communications, has decided to quit its general insurance license application with the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, the company informed the stock exchange on Saturday. Paytm added that its wholly-owned subsidiary, Paytm Insurance Broking Private Limited, will now focus on insurance distribution to Paytm consumers and SMEs. The company aims to offer small-ticket insurance solutions across various general insurance categories, including health, life, motor, shop, and gadgets. The move will help 197 Communications conserve cash of 950 crore rupees, which was earmarked for investment in PGIL. As per the company, according to the firm, it is also strengthening partnerships with Digit, Acko, ICICI Lombard, New India, Bajaj Allianz, Tata AIG, and others. Technology startups logged funding worth about $25.6 million in the penultimate week of May, a sharp 88% decline on year. A $11 million funding deal at San Francisco-based Unify Apps accounted for 43% of the overall activity. Startups across different stages, but mostly early, raised funds across 11 rounds, as per Traction data. In the same period, a year ago, May 18th to 24th, 2023, startups had raised a total of $219 million. Notably, the funding winter was in full force in March 2023, having set in from September 2022. Goodwater Capital emerged as the topmost investor in terms of deal volume in the latest week. Customer-focused VC firm Source VC has launched its third fund with a target to raise 250 crore rupees. The New Delhi-based investment firm received clearance from the Securities and Exchange Board of India a few weeks ago for the new fund, Chandra said, adding that it aims to back 15 to 16 consumer brands in their early stages.